Hello, my dear children. Welcome back to online class of social science. And as you know that we are continuing with our geography portion of social science. And our today's explanation is on chapter 9, Assam. Assam is the state where we live. Yes, and the capital of Assam is Dispur. So in this chapter we will know about our state Assam, and also we will know about the history and geography of Assam. So students, the word Assam, it has been given or interpreted by the historian in different ways. Okay, like one set of historians, they believe that the Mughal named the region as Assam, which was pronounced later by the British as Assam. And like another set of historians, they believe the name was San. Okay, and there is one more group of historians who suggested the name owes its origin to the Sanskrit word Asama. Asama means like Asamanya, no equals. So, however, the most popular versions that the name is of Thai and Boro origin. Assam name is of Thai and Boro origins, and which was considered as some of the earliest tribes belonging to that region. Okay, and students, Assam is also called the gateway of the northeast. Okay, and this is because it connects 6 northern states, and they were collectively called as the Seven Sisters, and the six northern states were like Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, then Nagaland and Tripura, and including with Assam, it is called as Seven Sisters. And the largest city of Assam is Guwahati, and the main language is spoken in the state are like Assamese, Bodo, and Bengalis. So let us know about the history of Assam. So see, the archaeological finding in the region of Assam has revealed that there had been human settlement since the Paleolithic age. Okay, and the Hindu text of Kalika Purana mentioned that one of the initial dynasty that ruled in Assam was the Danava dynasty. Okay, and they were under the Mahiranga Danava. So Danava dynasty was like the very initial starting dynasty which ruled in Assam, and it was under the consideration of Mahiranga Danava. So the Danava dynasty was overthrown by the Naraka, and the founder of the Naraka dynasty. So the Hindu deity Krishna is believed to have killed the last ruler of the Naraka dynasty. That means the Lord Krishna killed the Naraka dynasty, means the Raja of Naraka dynasty. Okay, and the east and central region of Assam was ruled by the Maryarki dynasty. Okay, so the inscription of Allahabad pillar of Samudragupta mentioned that the Gupta kingdom shared border with like Kamrupa kingdom, and Kamrupa is like the Assam is before called as Kamrupa. Okay, so present day like Western Assam, and Devaka kingdom like Central Assam. Okay. Then next, this one, what happened? The three main dynasty that ruled this area was like Burmans, then Lecha dynasty, and Kamrupa Palas dynasty. Okay, they were the main dynasty which ruled in our state. And with the weakening of the Kamrupa Palas dynasty, the kingdom was split into the like smaller kingdoms, or the like Upper Assam was taken over by the Thai group, and they were called as Ahoms. Okay, Upper Assam peoples, those who lived, they were called as Ahoms, and the Ahom rule was restricted to Sibsagar dynasty district for a long period. Okay, so however, under the valor of King Suhumung, the weakening of the Sutia and Dimasa kingdoms, the extent of Ahom kingdom widened. So the Ahom empire reached its apex during the reign of the king Shukrappa. Okay, then see, the British become interested in this region with the discovery of the Camellia sinensis. It is an exotic variety of tea, and that can be grown exclusively in Assam. It is grown only in Assam. So as you know that Assam is famous for fond of its tea. Okay, so after the first Anglo-Burmese war, the control of Western Assam passed in the holds of the British with the Treaty Yandabu in 1826. So by 1838, the entire region was gradually annexed by the British. Okay, and what happened? What Assamese did? They just joined the hand with the Congress party under the leadership of what Gopinath Bordolkar, and played an active role in struggle for independence from the British rule. So when the Indian gained its independence in 1947, from then the British and Assam was declared a separate state in 1947, from 1947 after the independence of India. And however, some parts of Assam also went to the East Pakistan, and now it is called as Bangladesh. As you know that Assam's border, Bangladesh is in Assam border. So with passage of time, the states of Nagaland, Meghalaya, Mizoram and Arunachal Pradesh, they were carved out of the Assam. Earlier the Assam was the only state in northeast, but later it's divided in Nagaland, Meghalaya, Mizoram and Arunachal Pradesh, like that. Okay, so next is geography. Let's know about the geography boundary of Assam. So students, Assam is one of the border states of India. It is like in the border of India, and it shares its international boundaries with Bhutan and Bangladesh. Assam shares its boundaries, international boundaries, okay, with Bhutan and Bangladesh. And within India, the state shares its domestic boundaries with the like Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Meghalaya, Mizoram, and all of which they have been carved out from the Assam. Earlier they were in the part of the Assam like Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Mizoram and Meghalaya. They were the part of Assam, but later they were the carved out from Assam. And as well as the state of Tripura, Manipur and West Bengal also, they were also a little part of the Assam. And Assam is naturally endowed with different geographical formalities, and it contains the northern Himalayas and the northern plains. So see, as you know that the main lifeline of Assam is river Brahmaputra, and it is estimated to be the older than the Himalayas, and it flows through the state. So Barak is another river that also flows through the small portion of the state before crossing over the Bangladesh, as you will know that Barak Valley. Then, so the total area of Assam is 78438 km, means 78,438 km square. So the largest and the most commercially developed city of the state is Assam. In Assam is Guwahati. So see, also Brahmaputra is one of the few he river of India. Okay, all the rivers, mainly most of the rivers are female, like Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati, Jamuna, then Godavari. They all are like. And he river is one which is named representing a male character. And why its name is Brahmaputra? Brahma means the Lord Brahma, and he is the Putra of God Brahma. That's why it is called as Brahmaputra. Okay, so this is all about the history and geography of Assam. In next video, we will know more about Assam. We will know about the climate, agriculture and vegetation, wildlife of the Assam. Till then, take care. Thank you.